Agricultural gear is expensive and a big investment. Most houses in Australia are worth less than a harvester. So to clean your vehicle safely and efficiently without damaging paint really makes sense. At Chiefs Australia, we have two main products to clean agricultural gear. We have a degreaser and we have a soap. Nerta Super Degreaser is applied through a pressure sprayer. It is applied at 100%. Basically, the surface is just wetted very lightly, not much product is needed, and then left to dwell for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the degreaser has started emulsifying any hydrocarbons on the vehicle, we then use a Suttner foamer to apply the soap. Again, the product is safe on paint and will not damage your vehicle at all. The beauty of this foamer is that it automatically mixes your soap and water to the correct ratios. It's on the nozzle. All it requires is setting 1, which will mix the soap to a 2% ratio and water at 98%. Simply foam over the Super Degreaser, should you have used that product, let it dwell for a further minute and wash off with high pressure water backwards into fresh soap. We've made available some agricultural kits on our website at www.chiefsaustralia.com, or these products are also available at your nearest retailer. Those can be found on our website under where to buy. Simply put in your postal code or your suburb. It'll bring up your closest retailer.